think I stop him now.
I swear, if you get there, for don't give you belly. If you don't do abortion like 12 times.
You want to talk? You want to talk?
If you be
we will you. The day we came.
I like it. You want to talk?
You.
My brother, I didn't if you get there, for don't give you belly. Tire.
Someone can be something. I'm going out for battle. Someone can be something. Man, can you go? Someone forget about team. Somebody can for not knowing that behind the scene, when they all be like, easy be there for the taker. That his can do ads there for the times 10. Unami ko de pom musufe. Mbak da kerara here.
You know what I'm saying?
Anyway, when I welcome back on Sunday Night Show, we tell us we will get Twale and Ogbolor.
When is the day we want to pimp this man?
Pimp how?
Pimp. On a, Bante, we do party.
Don't do plenty bad things, so what's the pimp, man?
Pimp, you don't know that English word when they say pimp. All those men where they wear pink suit, they wear shirt like this foolish man, they wear shirt, they button them up to here. You know?
Even Twale bought it in your original. Those are
not the cloth. It is.
Yes.
But this is on where you go wear proper shit. You button them in your hand and you button them in the neck. You want to die?
Now 14 years.
Who kiss you for cloth? For the hand of your shirt?
Why? No, why that one you see, baby? What they do? You know they say another thing.
Who kiss you for the hand of your shirt?
Not the kiss, na paint.
Hey!
No,
No, be this.
Wait. Now where they just spent today for this office?
Wait.
I don't know.
You
see,
wait.
Pink.
Wait.
You just
No, I didn't see.
wait.
Honestly. Wait.
Camera zoom this thing.
Zoom this thing.
Camera zoom this thing.
Zoom this thing.
Quick.
Wait.
Camera zoom one thing.
Where's the office?
So you dey waka.
No be
Hey, Pets, come up you.
Come back. What's happening? Because I go nod you now. What they worry you? Because I did your show. I go nod you. Get out of here.
We pledge peace.
We get here. Nothing happen.
We pledge peace.
Oh my God. What's it? Everyone they show say we go say something. Why they shout?
Because you will be on top night show. That is why.
You understand? But we are here. You understand?
In the rehearsing lines.
We there here. They go no.
You never collect salary.
Oh, chills, man. Oh, man.
Mine have to not give
10%.
Sorry.
They rehearse. Now the lines.
Back!
Now you say I don't tell you now. Pack, come on, your money go. That is it now.
Corpora!
Do one line. Do one scene. Wanna do one scene for inside the.
Wait, what would they even do, Seth?
Wait, do one.
No, we don't. What would they even do?
No, we check
one. Wait,
now church you they go.
Wait.
Now fellowship.
Wait. You dey ask me what you they do.
Yes.
So what you carry when I come here?
Now burial.
Now you wear cloth.
Now
Come
burial.
lift the can't stand you. Now you Twale sit down be like pastor.
They do. Today don't finally come this show. No, because at that point
we don't come to classes before. You go by and because they come night show. No, you buy a special.
No. Now for the late night show, now they rock 'em. People are not used to seeing new things. I'm sorry for you. I was like, it's how we roll. You know what I'm saying? You said the shock. What's wrong with you? On shock the shockness.
Some of these glasses you buy for both of them.
No. This is the real one. That one where you been by that time and fake.
Come on, they use glass. Maybe you buy
them. No, so that this one now the 251.
Hey, now 253.
No.
Expensive.
This one expensive. This one.
120.
No, the original one, if you match, I mean, they break.
This one 120, 129.
Okay, the match I know they
for
break.
CMS.
If you match this one, I go break.
Naira.
Now see all this file there.
Come no, my glass. Now the
This is the original.
How you go take no fake glass? If you do boom, you go come out speed. More time.
No, wait. No.
If you transfer your glass,
we for try una lapi. When I go break too.
I take try am.
My brother. No, at this point, humilify. Catch me. I'm humbled to it. You understand me that? So we are.
Anyway, tell us about thing that happened for this weekend. Okay, by the way, of course, another idiot. This now, Twale, Twebe Abide, aka Twale.
Yo.
Now, if I want to tell us what happened this weekend.
Fellowship.
Talk now. No time not do. Talk now. How's will be just now you producer. Okay. Talk this thing.
Okay.
So you come
on Saturday.
Saturday,
Saturday.
no,
No,
Saturday.
Yes.
Oh, I said 27. Hey, bazaar. I don't forget.
26.
Most people don't mix that in. Say whether na Sunday, whether na Saturday.
Na Saturday 26.
Na Saturday. Saturday 26 from Muson Center. We just want Chris more. You don't think we will Chris. You know, so we could come outside Chris more. As Fashola know day again, everybody decrease. I go out today everywhere na madness.
Fashola wife go come.
Fashola wife.
You don't say she dey go.
She dey checkpoint the thing these days. Not because she dey go again. Before she dey do about to say religiously for the situation she did that time. But now,
how the wife go?
My brother. Look at no make us come talk what we not supposed to talk. Because the way things they go now. Because the way things they go now, she not go come out.
The hotness where they for the.
The way they think hot now. My brother,
why everything is hot? Why?
List of commissioners don't come out.
Don't come out. Now they talk.
Why some men want to see their name not there?
Why their name not there?
Everybody provoke. What do you mean?
See, I beg, if you never see your name for the first list of commissioners, second list.
Waiver list.
And then if you expect to be minister, waiting list. VC list.
So let's see how we go. Maybe somewhere along the line they go see the original.
So how you go take be this weekend? True. What really they happen this weekend?
Okay, now stage play, right? Stage play, and I mean Ogbolor be like the major act, you know, but to get other people waiting there. We try to play checkpoint. And anyway, where I go, once I mention checkpoint, people will be like, okay, we want to see the rubbish thing where police they do, and not be really to hit back as police and then hit back to police as people will go talk. You know, not be to really rubbish police, you know, but now to talk about some things. Now to talk about
some truth.
Some
okay,
things
so this
happen.
checkpoint get to do with police.
Yes.
Police checkpoint.
Why you go single up upon all the entire forces in the world and in Nigeria? Now police. What have the police do to you? Eboke police is your friend.
Yes. It's what I want to talk about in our friends.
So one extend friendship.
So we want to extend our friendship back
what
to them.
What do you do about the army? Army not get checkpoint.
Army is not
our senior brother, not our friend. They tell you what to do. You understand? You will be on that.
So why not Navy point?
Or civil defense?
I don't know.
All asthma. All OPC.
OPC, not APC.
They wear uniform.
You know, say this
they are responsible well.
But this is the way somebody do last man no like her.
Nobody good.
Last man don't humble now.
Last man.
Hey!
If last man.
If you see last man today.
Go. Now when they enter. Give me ticket, please.
Give me ticket and leave, please.
Give me ticket. No,
they don't finish shout again. No. No.
They shout again.
Ticket. Why they shout?
Why they say
you go there traffic, they make phone call. Hello, are they come? Hey, Anna, last one.
Oh, that's the ticket.
No, let's discuss it. Ticket.
It's for your safety. Leave and your own.
Sierra.
Is your father's ticket? No, but you pay money. Okay, where you go? You pay 30,000. Let me collect 30,000. Is it your 30,000? Continue.
You know, so basically, we want to talk about Nigeria and some of the things that happen for Nigeria, from politics to entertainment, from entertainment to other social vices. But we want to try to look at from the point of the police officer. But that will not mean we not go talk about some things where they wrong for police. You know, and but we not really even the rubbish police like that. What would they even talk about?
Rubbish them. No, be say really.
No, rubbish police.
But we not rubbish police.
Yeah, no. We dey talk the thing where we not know. Finish.
Where they not fit talk.
Where they not So now, as a satire play.
My brother, not everything and they talk.
No, because this is.
Because I can't think of it.
No, that one do. Una go see am, but we no go take mouth talk am. You go do. Now wetin they talk for them? Now they satire. You understand?
Satire.
Satire, you know the satire now. That girl with the day for Jack.
Hey, I don't talk now.
I talk am. Say for this night show, they know they go. They don't. They're not deep.
Satire.
Before it blows up.
Yes. Around the area.
That market when they sell.
Wait, me get one woman where they sell rapper. Satire and wachuku. Na there na she.
They call satire like
no.
Actually,
Okay.
satire mean.
Explain that for them. Since they are, started the slow work guy.
Okay.
They will reboot.
So now.
Satire.
Hey, God.
Maybe
they don't buy
and then
no, for people not to know it's play. But satire be like saying you gonna talk the truth. You understand? You use play to talk the truth, but you gonna code that one kind. So those people that will not know what they happen. When they watch the play, they'll come catch the whole gist for the whole.
They explain.
No, make I know explain before. You know, I said this one you do that. Some people
that girl, that's a
Don't look at that girl, that bad girl. Meanwhile, na play. You know you're clear the air for people that don't know anything.
Now.
So they go wear that shine uniform.
They go wear. They don't get police uniform now.
Yeah. For them.
They go. I don't know.
Look at the contract.
Wait, Thierry. That's Thierry. What's that?
They go put that Thierry inside the boat.
Just go show us Benin.
Thierry no go there. You are play.
Thierry, everyone cloth.
Enough to that one.
Thierry saw one thing on the way like skate. Come give me. No, I give to you. Let you. Do what you should do. Now, slap you.
Now, still our guy.
Your tongue will change. Now, for this show, now people will go come on Saturday. Now, how many shows to start with? Now, two shows. The first one, which time?
The first one at 3 p.m.
Okay.
The second one will be 6 p.m.
6 p.m.
3 and 6.
Plenty people they like go second shows. Plenty. I don't know why.
I don't know.
But me, I would like go the first show.
You want first reach heaven? Those kind of.
I know why. I know why. Not ask me.
What why?
Now make it reach us quick now.
No.
Before where are you? Before to enter house quick.
People can go for first show because you know say your them talks when you they go come second show.
You come second show.
So you don't want for them to jam.
Some they come first show because they lock their gate for night quick. So you have to run home. You understand? Different reasons there. You get me now? Second show can't even no cost reach.
Theater. Make I ask you one question about theater. Theater, I don't know how. What do you feel say? The acceptance of theater for inside Nigeria so far, because not be today this Nollywood go they bring like 12 movies in a day. This 1 week shoot one movie. Sharp people don't night making here today everywhere. Popular everywhere for nonsense where they do sometimes. Not be say all of them. Sometimes. Now the question I want to ask now, what's in make theater never fit move?
Okay, well,
or the acceptance of theater. Okay.
Why they want get you a show when we never this Shay, you never see the show now. The show na Saturday you dey watch this on DVD.
Hey, Alaba.
You are pirate.
Alaba.
Every weapon against checkpoint, destroy.
We bind you.
We destroy you.
We bind you.
No, we don't have to
come
meet
out
me and Medu for those special casting because it's not flesh and blood.
Hold on. Now, every spirit. Now, are you ready to pray?
Prayer.
Are you ready to pray?
Prayer.
Checkpoint is on Saturday.
Yes.
Checkpoint is on Saturday.
Yes.
Some people now they've gone to buy their camcorder. So stay on record. You are going to enter into the spirit. You are going to say, Father. Father, watch me as well. Yes. Don't worry, nothing will happen.
Amen. Amen.
You say you want water for DVD. Why
you think the prophet is going to say you didn't be prophet offering? You think it's easy to do all this thing?
If for anything, for the energy, Mona they give prophet something. Because this one I just step. I don't finish my brother. Pure water. Hey.
Now, we talk about the acceptance of theater for Nigeria. Now. I know, so maybe every time you see theater plays, you go see it go happen once in a year or 2 or 3 times in a year. It not the two happen like that. Except if you go to our culture, when they say we see and they happen more. Now, what is the advantage or between over stage plays, theater, and the one where they do for TV?
And why then say no decide to go do them for film? As this our sister from Dublin, they are saying go buy them for DVD.
How na pirate?
No, but why they no go do checkpoint inside film? Why they go first decide seeing a stage play?
No, you don't understand now. They count one before they count 2. They feel they do that thing now. Somebody, Fred and Mata, what do that people they shoot movie?
Fred and
Mata, all those people they go come. No, we are going to shoot this thing.
No, but you know say they go first weigh the up and down, pro and con, yin and yang. And Kibi that accordingly faster. Which one will bring the money faster? Adult film or staged?
Film, they're liable to piracy.
But stage
is unliable to piracy. So stage, like narrator just now. One, you must count one before you count two. You understand? So you go first use stage, they checkmate am. He go serve,
then he come record for
CD.
Then he didn't say he not said it. Nah, take five.
And you know, say for the stage now, if you break into different parts, if you break into different parts, the comedian part, you
go set that one separate.
The music will go perform. Then the film,
you go separate.
So now that one three parts. Disc A, part one. Disc A, disc B, disc C, the finish.
put together.
Balling.
Anyway, we want class magic in the break. When you come back, we begin taking a phone call. For those of them when they say one number, two checkpoint, they are about to come back.
If you don't just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make us sharply subscribe to our channel. Not done.